Third law of motion states that the square root of the time period of revolution of a planet around the sun is proportional to the third power of the average distance between the sun and the planet. Okay, that is t square is k into r cube, where k is constant. If the masses of the sun and the planet are m and small m, capital M and small m respectively, then as per the Newton's law of gravitational force, the attraction between them is equal to F is equal to gmm by r square. Here g is the gravitational constant. Here g is the gravitational constant. The relationship between g and k is described by. Now first of all, F is equal to g small m capital M divided by r square. Okay. So now in this case, t square, okay, d square is directly proportional to r cube, so we have to find out the relationship between them. Okay. Now what is the proportionality over here? Okay, if I consider this as the sun of mass m, this is the planet of mass small m, I can say that if the planet performs a circular motion, if a planet performs a circular motion around the sun, I can say that the necessary centripetal force mv square by r is provided by the gravitational force, which is equal to g m capital M divided by r square. Okay, divided by r square over here. Okay, so now in this case, okay, I can say that in this case, okay, the mv square by r is equal to gmm by r square. R and r will get cancelled, m and m will get cancelled out. So v square over here will be equal to gm divided by r. Now v square can be written as 2 pi r divided by t the whole square is equal to gm divided by r. So it will be equal to, okay, if I compare this part over here, it will be equal to 4 pi r square divided by t square will be equal to gm divided by r. So basically t square will come out to be 4 pi r cube divided by gm. So if I compare it with the standard equation of t square is equal to k r cube, okay, the value of k will come out to be 4 pi divided by gm. Okay, 4 pi divided by gm, this will be the value of the k. Okay, or gmk, it will be equal to 4 pi square. Okay, gmk, it will be equal to 4 pi square, which is equal to option number D.